Hey, welcome back to Roax and another little glimpse into my life. Every fall, we love fall activities, and one of them is the pumpkin patch. We go to Begg's family farm in Sikeston, Missouri, and every single year it is so much fun. And I can't lie, I was a little bummed that we didn't get to go to their actual pumpkin patch. The weather did not cooperate with us. It rained 3 days prior, non-stop pretty much, till we went, and the day was beautiful. It was really windy, but it was beautiful, cloudy, the sun was in the sky. But to get to the pumpkin patch, you have to get on this like trailer ride, and there was just no way the tractors could make it over to the pumpkin patch with how muddy it was, or they could potentially get stuck. So we didn't get to actually go to the pumpkin patch, which was kind of bummed us a little bit, but we had so much fun doing the corn maze and Monopoly game. They have so many activities for the boys to do, play areas, a little obstacle course place, which was very nerve-wracking watching Axel try to balance. A bunch of slides. They have this guy every year has his fooler out there with the little animal carts that they get to ride in. And of course the big jump pad. They have a huge one that's for like older kids and adults, and every year little kids always get hurt. So this year they had a covered jump pad for just the little ones, which the boys absolutely loved.
Are you taking a video of us going down the slide?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I found a red leaf! I found a red leaf, excellent. Mommy, is this whole leaf red?
Let's see. Uh-huh.
I found one.
This was also the first year that both boys went down the huge black slide by themselves. It's a covered slide, so it's very dark on the inside and it's very tall. They were both so brave and absolutely loved it. They ran back up those stairs so many times to do it again. Then you of course have the animals. We only really stopped by to see the goats this time around. Usually we see a lot more of the animals they have there, but we've seen these little goats and they're covered, shaded home with their little heads peeking through. On the inside you can kind of see that they have like stairs to get up, so they're actually on both levels. It's so funny to watch them pop their heads in and out. And since we didn't get to go to the patch like I mentioned, they did have a selection of pumpkins laid out up front for us to pick before we went home. So we loaded up all of our pumpkins and headed out, and we had a little bit of dinner on our way home.
Rocks like to be funny.
No, Axel. Stop.
But the funnest part to me is definitely the carving. I love pumpkin carving so much. My poor husband does not, and I tell him every year, you pick a design and I will carve it for you, but he's usually always a good sport and will carve along with us. The boys gut their pumpkins and then usually leave the rest for me to do. And this year we decided to do all face pumpkins, and we actually went off of The Nightmare Before Christmas. So James did Jack Skellington for his pumpkin design, and I did the Jack Skellington pumpkin for Axel. And then I tried to mimic a Sally look on mine, and then Roman's was Oogie Boogie, which he really loved. We wanted to do the pumpkin head photo shoot and reel and TikTok that you see around. You guys can definitely check out my Instagram at AllisonHunt_2, and I have my reel on there. I absolutely love it with the actual music that goes with it. It's the whole ghost trend, but with pumpkin heads. It was a lot of fun to do, and oh my gosh, I love that video so much. I have more fall activities coming to the vlog very soon, but until then, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next one.